All right, welcome back. We're continuing the dismantling of the Camaro, and we're getting close to the point of no return where we start cutting things up. But before we do that, we got to get to the rest of the wire harness out, which is all over the place right now. And we've got wire harness here that goes to the back and it ends up over the back dash in between the window, and there's not a lot of room there. As you can see, we don't have a lot of space to work with when we're trying to pull out all the wiring. I gotta get my big fat meats up in between the back dash and the windshield, rear window. So what I think we'll do is just pull the window out. We're gonna be selling and chopping this car up anyway, so we'll show you how to get that up. I've got part of it already stuck through the back window, and then we'll get an assistant in here and get this window sawed out, and you can see it's a pretty quick process. As you can see, this is why we want to do things outside the car as much as possible. Spaces towards the back of this get tighter and tighter as they go, and I'm not getting any smaller. So we are getting close to the point of no return, like I said before. We could just, put a front end on the front of the thing and front bumper and have a nice Camaro. Low mileage, ready to go. But, nah, we're gonna cut it up. All right, so here I got things set up here, and it's just a simple wire with a T-handle on each end, and you use this neat little gadget that hooks into the wire and pushes it up under through the rubber urethane. Then you have an assistant on the inside, and you work your way around pretty quickly, and taking your time should come out pretty quick. We'll just move into a little quick time lapse, and you'll see this window out in a few minutes. Leave it. See, none of that stuff is friendly to the knees.
That's why I'm sacrificing the legs. Ow! Ooh! You put a razor on the end of this bitch.
Huh?
The razor.
No razor.
The wire.
Oh, well, it is a razor wire. Ready?
Yeah.
Keep pulling.
Ow.
She's just smoking. You can pull a little bit more through. So you can pull more through, like that, and then don't let it go in this. Yeah, well, doesn't that give you more space if it's longer?
Here, it's all over my head.
Okay.
If I go too far back.
Okay, and then when you get up to the corner, you wrap your wire around and then start going the other way. Ready?
What do you want me to do?
Pull.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep pulling. The way you were.
Oh, that's the way I was?
Yeah. Now you have to go this way, probably. We're almost to that corner.
There's some like brackets up here. Okay.
All right, let me tuck this corner. Fucking. I don't know if I can reach it yet. Crap. Pull. Uh-oh. We broke the wire. I got more wire. You want a longer one? This time? I don't know. It's up to you down there. It might help. I can take up the slack up here. I'll just make it longer.
Yeah. You only extra foot.
Yeah.
Probably help me over here when I actually got outside of this. Was that the same wire that we used for the front windshield?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's kind of normal. They don't last forever. Grab the wire. Pull it through. Other side. There you go. You know, and then see that groove? Just poke it through here and stick one end in there. And
Over there. See it through that.
Yep. Push it down. Yep, that's it. We'll go the other way from the bottom instead of just keep going around, you know?
Right.
Need more? Pull back to like get off the dash.
Yeah, pull all the way in there. That's as far as I want to go.
Okay.
Where are you on, corner?
Yeah.
Smell it.
Keep going.
What is it?
What? Oh, ground strap. Take this. Take that screw out, holding that block.
This?
Yep.
What's that?
And then unplug it. Pull it out and unplug it. Okay. Okay. Didn't like that, did it?
I think some of this on the inside.
Were you around the corner?
The corners on both sides have this metal piece pushing past the actual where the corner is. Glass. See that's glass? Flip in the top here. There's like a metal corner piece here. It's breaking the wire every time you do it. On further inspection. What I think we'll have to do is use that like little poker gun that you have, find where the wedge is, and actually forcibly poke these parts. And then once we're over it, I'll have to go this
Can't
way.
poke it because there's a ridge there.
So how to do that?
You gotta figure out how to get her keep going around. Let's take a look at how you're pulling and see if there's, you can change something.
I think the only thing I can change is going further forward. Instead of pulling back against it, pull the other way.
Right on. No, wait, do that.
Huh? What are you trying to do here?
Goes in the bottom.
Oh, in the bottom through the groove.
Now push it down. You're gonna want to try to go that way.
This way?
Yeah, pulling that way. When I get around the corner there, I pull back up. Pretty much there.
Okay.
If I can reach the handle. Oh shit. They won't hurt that clip. I don't care about it. Pull. Wait. What is it? There's a hook on it? Pull down a little bit. That way. I mean, back towards the bottom of the window. Okay, pull. You're almost past the clip now. Stay close to the window, like your knuckles dragging on the window. Yeah, you're coming along though. Yeah. Just keep pulling this way.
Pull this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go all the way around the other side and go the other way.
We go where?
Yeah, cool. I stuck on a clipper. You're wedged down in that corner.
Yeah.
You gotta get it out of that corner. Up over that.
It's on the outside. There. Got it.
That's it.
So that's it.
That's all, folks. Nice window. Now that we have the glass out, you can see all of these things here that literally have 1.5 inches of depth that you would have to try to get to. And these are all attached and clipped in. We've got something like maybe a GPS module or something. Over here we have some ground, a 10mm ground. There's a clip there. I never would have got that unclipped. And all of the stuff. We got trunk lights that pop out. Just all things that you take this glass out is pretty much the only way to go. And this whole harness wraps all the way around to there. Just absolutely retarded for no reason. Like they could have just came out of the trunk up to there. Why do that? I don't. Come on, GM. Do better. Connected to this one underneath, has to come all the way back up.
Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you can get anything right now. Taking cool time lapse footage.
It's not worth even seeing. I got the gist of it, you know, pull it through, do the thing, and pull it back. I gotta go that way now, right now. I'm gonna be back and forth so much, it's like... That's tied to there, and there? What? Help me understand. And it goes up to there. This ground over here. Oh, I just had it in my hand, didn't I? just like that, we've got all the wiring out. And it looks like this. I don't even think labels are gonna help with that. Well, that's that for this one. Next one, we start cutting. This is why we don't want to do things inside the car. Like I said, getting to the point of no return, we start cutting this thing up, there's no getting back. What? Why? You're killing it. You're not supposed to ruin takes.
Fuck me up so bad. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to get back in there. It was so good.
I can't. That's gold right there.